Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I have a really quick, simple, easy craft to do. You guys, wait till you see this. I love how this came out. Look at this. Look at that. It's so cute and it works. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And no, I didn't have a popsicle stick, but you can use a popsicle stick, or you can do exactly what I just did. You guys, I love this. And you can use this also for, graduations. That would be cute. Weddings, of course. Shoot, I would even be bougie and have this up like a picture of my kid when I went to their games. Put their number. Yes, I'd be out there like this. Bougie. Yeah, okay. Y'all, this is cute. This is cute. Like, this is probably one of my favorite things now that I done did it. The measurements for this will be on my Patreon page. We're going to go ahead and get up into this. I can't wait. I'm going to show my husband. Like, I did mess up a little bit. Like, there's a wrinkle in it. But you know what? This was the first time I made this. I think I did pretty good. Ooh, my son is not happy. All right, I got to go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so as you see here, I have my two templates printed out. This one is bigger than this. I'm going to use this for my fan. This one is cardstock, and this one is just regular paper, as well as another sheet of cardstock that I'm just going to glue these two together to make it thicker. And then because I don't have a popsicle stick, you guys do not need to do this step. This is just if you don't have a popsicle stick. I'm going to use another piece of cardstock and a piece of foam to make my pretty much my stick. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and just simply cut these two things out. Okay, so scratch that. I'm not cutting nothing out. What I'm about to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue this onto this piece of cardstock paper. And I'm going to be using my Mod Podge to do this. Goodness, y'all. And what I'm going to do to this is I have some clear matte transparent paper. I'm going to put this over this regular sheet, which is going to give it a glossy look. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner, you guys. I don't know. But I'm going to pretty much cut that out, and then I'm going to apply it. Okay, so now that I have this cut out, I'm going to try to apply this the best way that I possibly can. I have never done this before, but I am hoping that it gives me that, that glossy finish that I'm looking for. I'm hoping I can put this on without, getting any wrinkles or anything in it. Because I don't know. I don't know how this is going to do. Alright, so let me just go ahead and try to line this up. Get out the way. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead, slide that down. Oh no, it's a little cricket. Oh, Jesus. I'm trying, y'all, but it went on a little bit crooked. Nope. Now, see, it's easy to pull up, like on spaces that don't have, that's as good as we're going to get it, y'all. But you see how it's like glossy? It looks a lot better than it just being plain. But it's going to have a wrinkle, you guys. God dang it. Alright, it's got a wrinkle, but hey, we're going to go with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Alright, you guys, I still don't exactly know how I'm going to do this for my, my fan handle. I guess I'm just going to take this cardstock paper and fold it up. And I've got my glue gun heated up, so I'm just going to continue doing this all the way to the end. Now I'm going to take some glue and run it along the edge right there where it's lifting up so that it can, you know, be glued down. Okay, the only thing I'm going to do now is just take it and cover it in this, pretty much in this foam sheet. Just trying to get it as even as I can. Okay. I'm going to take the glue gun and go along the edges. And I'm just going to continue doing that all the way down. And now to complete this, I'm just going to pretty much, I don't know how long or how short this really supposed to be. I think you're only supposed to be able to get your hand. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to leave it about right there. Yeah, I'm gonna do it about right there. So, only thing we got left to do is to pretty much glue this bad boy down. No, come on. I will be running out of a goddamn glue stick, right? Right on the last step. Come on. Don't fail me now. Alright. I'm just going to push it down. Hopefully. Y'all, look at that. I made it. And this is 32. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at that. It looks so good. Y'all done got glue. My husband gonna be like, what the freak did you do to the bed? Look at that. Can y'all see that? That is too cute. Too cute. And it probably took me about 15 minutes to do this. It would have been quicker now that I know exactly what I'm doing. You guys, try this out. This is adorable. This is cute and it's quick. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm done.